How to add collaboration on Instagram after posting. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add different collaborators to your posts on Instagram after posting. First thing first, open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you could just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, you can select any post where you want to add collaborator. So let me just scroll down and find a post. Let's say if I want to add a collaborator on this post right here. What I'm going to do now is tap on the three lines of the post at the top right and then tap on edit. Once you edit this post, you will have an option to add collaborators up top. Tap on it and then tap on invite collaborators. Now search for a username for your collaborators, tap on it, and then tap on done at the top right. Once that is done, tap on done again. You could also add other collaborators as well, but I'm just going to invite one, tap on OK. And once that person accepts the collaboration request, both of your names will be shown on this post. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.